Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am going to discussing about letter classification. In the last session, I already discussed a few problems on letter classification. Let's continue the letter classification concept. See here. Here the question is option A, that is B, C, D, and K, M, N, Q, R, S, G, H, I, W, X, Y. If you observe carefully, B, C, D and QRS, GHI, WXY. All these four options are consecutive letters. All these four options are having consecutive letters. But KMN, these are not consecutive letters. KLM, that is those letters are consecutive. But KMN, these are not consecutive letters. That is the reason why here the answer for the first question, that is KMN. Option B is the right answer. Among all the five options which are given in this question, these four are follows same rule, same logic, that is consecutive letters, whereas option B, KMN, that is not following the same logic as that of remaining four. Here the logic it is following is consecutive letters, but KMN is not a consecutive letters. That is the reason why here the answer for this question is KMN. Odd one is KMN. Next one. Let's move on to next question. See here. Here the options are R, T, V, M, O, Q, K, I, K, G, I, K, M, B, D, F. If you see, if you read in this manner, you may not get the logic immediately. So better to write a letter with its respective number so that you will get the logic easily. Here R is nothing but 18. After that 20. After that 22. T is equal to 20, V is equal to 22. Now, M is equal to 13, O is equal to 15, Q is equal to 17, I is equal to 9, K is equal to 11, G is equal to 7. Next, I is equal to 9, K is equal to 11, M is equal to 13. And again, B is equal to 2, D is equal to 4, and F is equal to 6. Now you will get the logic easily. From here to here, plus 2, plus 2. 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2 is 15. Again 15 plus 2 is 17. Now if you observe carefully here, 9 plus 2 is 11, but from here to here it is minus 4. Whereas coming to remaining options, if you check it out clearly, here also plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13. Same. Fifth option, 2 plus 2, 4. Again 4 plus 2, 6. If you observe carefully, option A, option B, option D, option E. For these four options, plus 2 is the logic. Plus 2 is the logic. But whereas coming to option C, here the logic is plus 2 and minus 4. Here the logic is plus 2 and minus 4. So it is different logic as comparing with the remaining 4. It is not following the same pattern as that of remaining 4. That is the reason why here the answer for this question is option C. That is the odd one among all the given 5 options. That is IKG. Let's move on to next question. Here the question is given as B, D, W, D, F, U, F, H, S, G, I, Q, I, K, P. If you observe carefully, if you write down the first two, if you see the first two elements, 2 and 4. Next, here it is 4 and 6. I am writing only first two letters numbers. Here it is 6 and 8. After that, here it is 7 and 9. Here it is 9 and 11. For first two letters, the logic is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. For first two letters, the logic is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. But whereas coming to next second letter and third letter, if you observe second letter and third letter, here DW, FU, SH, and also KP. All these are pairs of letters. Pairs of letters, but IQ is not a pair of letter. IQ is not a pair. IR is one pair. IR is one pair. JQ is one pair. IR, Indian Railways, that is one pair. Jack and Queen, this is one pair, but IQ is not one of the pair. That is the reason why here the answer for this question is option D, whereas the logic here it is following it for first two letters, the logic is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, whereas for second letter and third letter those are pairs of letters. Second and third letters are pairs of letters. DW, FU, SH, KP. All these are pairs of letters, but IQ is not a pair of letter. That is the reason why here the answer for this question is GIQ. Option D is the right answer. Let's move on to next question. See here, options are rat, cat, mat, sat, and get. It is very easy to get the answer. That is each and every option, except fifth option. Remaining four options are ending with AT. Remaining four options are ending with AT. Remaining four options are ending with AT, but here it is ending with ET. That is the reason why here the answer for this question is get. Option G is the right answer, whereas remaining four options are ending with AT. So the answer for this question is option G, that is GET, get. Guys, I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you very much for watching.